Everyone, happy Monday, March 10th. It's about 5 p.m. my time. I'm over in San Diego, California. I was just chatting with a colleague about how we miss going into the office as much. And you miss out on talking about your wins and losses and talking about what's working in your market and guideline updates and so on and so forth. And it's one of the reasons that we started the Mortgage Minute is to share these things, build a community of folks, loan officers in the industry, and get super niche about this broker channel. We're also talking about news and how negative it could be out there, but news articles are designed, these news outlets they're built to hone in on all of the negativity, and negativity drives eyeballs, and they need eyeballs for their ad revenues. And so it's important to study your local markets and provide the flip side and look closely at the data with your clients and help them make informed decisions on house purchases. I'm not an economist, but something is a cooking in the market. And so from what I understand, what's going on here is, look at the Qs. They just sold out. Look at the volume on this drop today. It was substantial. And it sounds like we've got a ways to go here in the sell-off in the stock market. And my understanding is there's concern that the tariffs are going to bring manufacturing to the States, which is what we want, but the higher cost of production is going to reduce profits. And less profits means layoffs, and layoffs means recession. And so this is likely what's unraveling here before our eyes. Um, and recessions are terrible. They're messy and they hurt a lot of people, unfortunately. And it likely, though, will cause a major sell-off in the 10-year Treasury. And so that's coming. Rates are going to fall. And it's important that you guys stay vigilant because it's going to happen fast as well. I think there's going to be a time here, sometime this year, where the market is just plummeting day after day after day, and the rates are just getting substantially better. And so I do believe that is going to happen sometime this year. Now, short term, I think we're just going to test this floor of support here, and I think we're going to blow through it into this next channel. I think that is coming within the next few weeks. Again, we just need a few more bits of negative economic data, and watch out, because I think this floor is going to drop out. It's already been tested, and we kind of popped off of it, and now we're fading back down into it. So get ready. I strongly believe that it is coming. In the newsletter this week, we reviewed family opportunity mortgage, just staying sharp on that. You may have a parent or kids that want to buy for elderly parents, and the kids may think that they have to buy it as an investment property. But when you hear that scenario, remember that Fannie allows you to buy mom and dad, elderly parents, a property and call it a primary res for the purpose of the loan. Same thing is in reverse for children. Parents can buy children a home as long as there's some qualifying guidelines, like they have to have disabilities of some sort. So just remember that as it comes across your desk. We talked about down payment assistance programs. These don't often work in our local markets over in SoCal because they're very difficult to qualify for. You can't have any debt and you can't make any money. And the purchase price has to be, 500 grand to 600 grand. But every now and then it works. But just remember that sometimes if you're like us and you're not always looking at these things, the Home Ready, Home Possible, and DPA programs out there may be something worth looking at here and there. Economic calendar, the big one, CPI on Wednesday. This is going to be, if this comes in soft, man, watch out. I think rates are going to plummet here. So that is all. Hope you guys have an amazing week. Take care. Talk soon. Bye.